Thinking about buying a new PC? Hold on. Before you spend your money, there are a few things you must check to make sure you are getting right machine for your needs. In this video, I will walk you through the top things you look before buying your PC, whether it's for gaming, work, or everyday use. Let's dive in.
Welcome to CendyVerse, your gateway to tech, code, and smarter living. Subscribe and explore the verse.
Thinking about getting a new PC? Don't jump in blind. This guide will walk you through everything you need to consider before making that big purchase. Buying a PC can be overwhelming with so many options. We'll simplify the process so you can make an informed decision that's right for you. First, let's break down the fundamental considerations that will guide your PC choice. The most crucial step is to determine what you'll primarily be using the PC for. This will dictate almost every other decision. Are you a hardcore gamer, a creative professional, or just need something for browsing and email? Your answer here is key. Next, set a realistic budget. This will help narrow down your options significantly and prevent overspending. Now, let's dive into the core components that make up any PC and why they matter. The CPU is the brain of your computer. For most users, an Intel i5 or Ryzen 5 is sufficient, while i7/Ryzen 7 and i9/Ryzen 9 are for more demanding tasks like gaming or video editing. For gaming or graphic-intensive work, a dedicated GPU is essential. Look for NVIDIA GeForce RTX/GTX or AMD Radeon RX or Intel Arc series cards. RAM is your computer's short-term memory. 8 GB is a good baseline, 16 GB is recommended for most users, and 32 GB or more for heavy multitasking or professional applications. Choose between faster SSDs for your operating system and frequently used programs, larger capacity HDDs for mass storage, or a hybrid setup for the best of both worlds. The motherboard connects everything. Ensure it's compatible with your chosen CPU and RAM, and consider its upgrade potential for future enhancements. Beyond the core components, several other factors can significantly impact your PC experience. Your operating system choice, Windows, macOS, or Linux, dictates your software compatibility and overall user experience. Don't forget the essentials. A good monitor, a comfortable keyboard, and a responsive mouse are crucial for productivity and enjoyment. Consider the number and type of USB ports, as well as reliable Wi-Fi and Ethernet options for network connectivity. Will you go for a traditional desktop, a portable laptop, or a space-saving all-in-one? Each has its own advantages. You're almost there. With these considerations in mind, you're well equipped to make a smart PC purchase. Before finalizing your decision, always research different models and compare specifications and prices to find the best value. Finally, think about future-proofing. Investing a bit more now can save you money and headaches down the line as technology evolves.